Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the log drum. Clean the playing surface and confirm the thickness and shell integrity. Once done, position yourself so your first strike lands on the marked node or center of the tongue. That spot produces the fundamental. Use a hard mallet with a 20-40 mm head to generate a strong attack without damping. Make sure to hold the mallet loose at the end of the handle so energy transfers cleanly. This early action sets the foundation for a loud, clear hit. Now refine your stroke and the instrument. You want a quick wrist snap, not a full arm swing, because speed at contact produces the crisp transient we hear as hard. Once you've locked wrist technique, experiment with where the mallet strikes. About 1/2 to 1 inch from the tongue edge often yields brighter tone. Make small adjustments to tongue length and mass by sanding or filing to raise pitch and increase tension. As you do this, play repeatedly to hear how changes affect attack and sustain. To finish, amplify and secure what you've built. Position a microphone 6 to 12 inches above the node for live or recorded boost, or use a contact pickup near the tongue for direct punch. If sustain is too long, add thin felt internally. If too short, remove padding. Make sure all hardware is tightened and gaps are sealed. Loose bolts or cracks sap attack. If things still sound weak, retune the tongue lengths and recheck mallet hardness. One tip: isolate rattles first. They often mask a strong hit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.